Title: The Dancing Raindrops. Once in a little village, there was a girl named Lily who loved the rain. She found joy in the way raindrops danced on leaves and rooftops. One rainy day, she decided to share her love for the rain with her grumpy neighbor, Mr. Jenkins. Lily knocked on Mr. Jenkins' door and said, "Come outside and let's enjoy the rain together." Mr. Jenkins grumbled, but reluctantly joined Lily. They stood on the porch watching the raindrops fall. To Lily, they were like tiny dancers in a grand ballet, each drop performing its unique moves. As minutes passed, something magical happened. Mr. Jenkins started to smile and even laughed as he watched the rain with Lily. He realized that the rain was a gift, not a bother. From that day on, Lily and Mr. Jenkins became friends. Whenever it rained, they would dance in the raindrops together, finding happiness in the simple beauty of nature. And so, the dancing raindrops brought not only joy to Lily, but also warmth to her neighbor, Heart. The end.